Indian sheet metal industry right now is very competitive. There are a lot of players in the market, and because of the certain raw materials and some things are at a premium, so margins are very thin for them. And spending money on machines right now, they think 10 times before doing it. So the future is automation.
Okay.
Heavily, we have to now we cannot automate completely. Semi-automation, certain material handling, pick and place robots, certain assistive jobs that can be done by machines. So production yield will be increased and cost per component, cost per part will reduce, which will allow MSMEs to be competitive in the market. And labor is also expensive now because of the gig economy of Swiggy and Zomato.
Okay.
Uh, Labor force is not available to us
Okay.
MSMEs at the salaries and points which they were available before. So that is the challenge our MSMEs are facing. So that is the reason I see Indian sheet metal growing because of sheer consumption.
Yes.
We are 1.4, 1.5 billion people country, and
Yeah.
we will consume
Yeah.
such goods at a higher rate. Washing machines, fridges, TVs, everything.